Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Spotsylvania County and central Virginia until 5 p.m. At 4:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Mineral, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Glenora, Gatewood, Parklow, and Brokenburg. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.